Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your steak full guide. Preheat your pan or grill to high heat and pat the steak dry. Season generously with salt and pepper, then oil the steak lightly. Let steaks come to room temperature for even cooking. Use a thermometer to hit desired doneness and rest the steak 5 to 10 minutes before slicing across the grain. Enjoy the flavor. Start simple with salt and pepper to let the steak's natural flavor shine, then add garlic or herbs if you like. Pat oil on the surface to improve the sear and prevent sticking. For stronger flavor, marinate briefly, but avoid overly acidic mixes for too long. Always blot excess marinade before cooking to ensure a clean crust. Taste and adjust seasoning after resting and before serving. Choose your method: pan sear for control, grill for smoky flavor, or oven finish for thickness. Sear both sides until a brown crust forms, then lower heat or move to indirect heat to finish. Aim for 125 degrees F for rare, 135 degrees F for medium rare, and adjust to taste. Resting is crucial. It keeps juices inside and improves texture. Slice against the grain for the most tender bites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.